The surprising role of Huntingtin protein in DNA repair and Huntington disease. Huntington disease is a genetic disorder affecting brain cells, leading to severe motor and cognitive decline. Researchers found that the Huntingtin protein plays a crucial role in DNA repair mechanisms. Mutated Huntingtin fails to produce ADP-ribose, PAR, essential for effective DNA repair processes. Surprisingly, Huntingtin patients show lower PAR levels than expected, raising significant concerns. These findings open new avenues in cancer research, particularly regarding PARP inhibitors' potential. Support research to combat Huntington disease and other neurodegenerative disorders.